Hey guys, Chris, David, and Alejandra here. Today is an interesting day because with everything going on in the world, I ordered a whole bunch of parts for Alejandra's Miata to basically start doing the makeover, start getting it going, because there's the hail damage on the hood and hail damage on the trunk. But finally got one thing in the mail after ordering it about a month ago.
Yeah.
And it's a carbon fiber hood.
Open it and it's not.
Oh my god, don't
It's
even
like
say that. I haven't even opened it yet. Could you imagine?
It's just a steel hood that's peeling paint.
So, anyway, we haven't even unboxed it yet. And honestly, if you're gonna change your hood up, might as well go carbon.
Might as well.
Save the money, go carbon. So let's open it.
Let's open.
Open. As you can imagine, parts like this for the Miata come from Asia. And things are a little tough to get from there right now. So,
To say the least.
hey, we're being optimistic here. So,
Let me see if we can get a...
but yeah, so here it is so far. Packaging is done very well. I'm just backing away. You just gotta cut strips of it out.
Try and cut up this corner.
Okay.
Like cut up and then across.
Alejandra's first car girl part install.
I hate everything about that sentence. Calm down.
Should we display your parody of car model photos?
Yes, I'll send them in.
I'll send them in for sponsorship.
There we go.
It's alive.
We're making progress.
Look at that.
Wow. I love
Upside
them.
down.
Sorry. Hold on. Let me be helpful before I admire the whole thing.
By the way, I chose this hood basically without Alejandra knowing, so thank goodness she likes it.
Oh, why? Because of the
Vents.
Vents and stuff.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that.
I'm gonna spin it around.
Ooh.
I was a figure skater in my previous life.
What do you think, Chris?
I like it. I like the vents.
You think it's too much or no?
No, I think it's gonna look good once we get all the rest of the body. You know, like the
It's gonna
bumpers
blend
and
in
stuff, It's
well.
gonna bring in. I do like this. Is kind of like RX-8ish.
It is. Yeah.
I actually dig the hell out of that.
So hail damage, carbon fiber. Now, pop that hood. Pop the.
sizzle, sizzle. I always get so scared doing this.
Why? What's
I'm
wrong?
like, it's hot.
Oh no, you're fine. You got it. Lift.
No, wait. Ah! I can't find it. Don't get this on video.
No, come on. You're learning. Everybody appreciates everybody learning.
It's really hot.
It's it's a motor.
Give me that little stick.
Wait, right here. There you go. Got it.
We're using a 10, so
Oh no, we
keep
need
an eye
to.
on it.
It's gonna disappear on us.
Oh, I'm doing something.
You're doing it.
Okay.
Well, first we got to get your squirters disconnected.
Okay, good. So it's not a 10, so we won't lose it.
You. The culprits.
I skipped the size and it was still wrong.
So let me tell you. Oh, that wasn't me. That was him. You gave me the wrong size. I'm supposed to look like a pro.
All right.
Got it? All right, Alejandra,
And
you
cut
got it.
to,
No.
I grabbed the right one. It's a 14. Is it on the right setting?
Yeah. Unloosen.
We all make a
This way?
carpet out of you.
Do I go this way?
No, you put lefty loosey.
Right, left. This way. What if I'm not strong enough to work on a car? Oh.
There you go.
She got the muscles. Now what?
Take your hand, kind of palm it like that.
Like this?
Yeah. And then, yeah.
Oh. I see.
There you go.
How do
Just
you
be-
do this so fast?
Oh, I'm still slow. I'm still
I've seen
insanely
you.
slow.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you work at a body shop. You do it every day. When I started my 2JZ project on the 240, everybody made fun of me for my lack of tool skill because I just never had it because I grew up without a family into working with tools. So I was awful at it. Meanwhile,
I just taught him how to do that. It's really being me. I'm a pro.
I just taught him how to undo a bolt. And go ahead and reach your hand in and Take that
So
last
my hand
bolt
is
off.
where your hand is.
Yep. So
And
I'm
then-
slightly pulling up.
Okay.
Use that hand and pull that off.
I'll use my head too.
You can do
Is
that
that okay?
too. All right, so we're gonna lift this off. Hold on. There we go.
Look at that.
Where am I going?
Come to me.
Okay.
Yep.
Put this over here.
So Alejandro here, you run no hood. What is the purpose of you running no hood for the car meet?
That is weight reduction, airflow.
I love it.
A beefy 275 turbo right here from Garrett.
What's a 275 beefy
Yeah.
turbo?
Then we got a here's the whole clutch. And
What are you
then
saying?
These are my and then I have
You know, she's actually more convincing than some of the like posers that I've seen.
Do you
before.
remember the video that went viral like 10 years ago where the guy went up to somebody and says, "Oh, do you have a rotary with pistons?"
It wasn't that.
It was a
wasn't that
Mustang. It was
Yeah,
a
yeah,
Mustang
I remember that
GTR. Oh, you got a rotary? He's like, yeah, I got one. He's
Yeah, I
like,
got
with
that.
pistons too?
And
He's like, yeah, that's right.
Listen, I know what I'm talking about. That's obviously windshield wiper fluid.
Wait, this? That's Brake Master.
No, that is my blinker fluid.
Pull those wood planks off.
I do like how they have these though. Here.
Stronger.
Got it.
Now, I'm gonna support most of the hood. Just go ahead and insert it down into them holes.
Got him.
Moment of truth.
Oh, I've actually got one of your bolts over here.
Yeah, I put him next to. I saw what you did and I was like, small it. Write that down.
Jam me that ratchet.
Like a first-person shooter right now. Just here. I'll just.
You got the hood supported? You got the hood supported?
Yeah.
Just so that I can let go.
Yeah. Okay. Right? Do I go right?
Yep. There you go.
Oh.
Now we just need to put a bunch of fake paint on her face to make it look like, you know, those ads with the chick with just random smudges on her face. All right, Alejandro, want to see how it is so far?
Yep.
All right.
We're just kind of checking the corners. This is clear on this side.
Yeah, we're still clear over here.
Let's see.
Loosen them, but don't like crazy loosen them. Keep going. Okay, good.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
How often do carbon hoods fit perfect?
Haven't found one yet.
So never.
Makes me feel a little better.
Oh no, you're fine. It's just this is
a
common.
typical.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
This is very
Carbon
common.
hoods. I mean, really expensive carbon usually fits pretty good. Same with like Cervini's hoods on Mustangs. Cervini's parts really fit good. There's a couple other brands that aren't as good. Carbon hoods, let them like slam them shut.
Real?
Well, if you push down, you'll
crack
develop
it, yeah.
So I
cracks.
just lift and.
Either drop it or give it a.
Okay.
Look at that though. So level it down to about here. All right, drop it.
Nope.
Nope.
A little bit more. It's this. These hoods are so light that you kind of gotta like.
Oh, I see.
There you go.
I'll have to learn.
I mean, the gaps. It's a little bit close over here. You know what I mean? But your gaps. We could adjust when we go to paint the rest of it and do everything. We can adjust moving those body panels because they're gonna be coming out anyway.
Yeah.
For it, you know what I mean?
As a trial run, it looks really
Yeah.
nice.
We can adjust it and do final fitment once we get into, you know, repairing any chips. And we're not gonna leave this gel coat as it sits. We're gonna sand this down and put some really high good. We're gonna sand this down and put some high quality good clear.
Right.
over
Rather
top
than
of
mass
this.
produced whatever.
Exactly. Well, this is just gel coat, so some gel coat, depending on manufacturers, will have some good UV stability to keep it from fading and that nasty, turning yellow.
Yeah,
look,
the
typical
Kevlar look,
carb.
yeah.
Exactly. So, and I can just tell it's gel coat, so we need to sand it down and get some good clear on there so that it doesn't fade, and then we can wet sand and buff it and make it smooth as glass when we do the rest of the.
I see you're happy.
I am. I can show you the color.
It's like a dark
You already
red.
picked it
Yeah,
out.
we've designed the whole car.
Really?
Yeah, in
And I
Forza.
also wanted to talk to you because you always have really good ideas. So I was like,
This is kind of the idea, Chris.
Oh yeah.
Like a dark
So it's like a
pearl.
Brandywine.
Yeah.
What if we did that color and we also add like a silver or red glass flake
Yep.
over it? So
well, I wanted a
look
flake,
like
but
that?
I wasn't sure like the
We
right
can
way
do
to-
that. You just don't want to do a real heavy flake. I think on this it wouldn't look as good. It'll just be like bass boat. But if we did that Brandywine color with like a red glass flake or a silver glass flake in this area, you know, like under shade, stuff like that, it would look a nice crimson color. But you get it out in the sun and it'll look a mile deep and have a super intense sparkle to it.
She's still holding the ratchet. She's so proud.
I did this.
That's right. All right, y'all.
This
What do
was
you think now that we're in the sun? I'm actually very happy with it. I mean, for just throwing it on there,
Yeah.
it overall looks very good. And once we get the rest of this car,
It'll
I really
tie it all.
feel like that I've made the right choice on this hood. I don't feel like it's too overbearing. It's nice that something's happening with this car, right?
Yeah.
It feels good that we did something today, and now we just have to wait for everything else
to arrive.
The body kit. Don't worry, it's not like super hot boy or anything. The body kit, the
Pop riveted on.
the trunk and spoiler, everything. Yeah, it's just been a rough start with this, but once it gets going, Mr. Chris here is going to work his magic,
We got it.
and it's going to look gorgeous. Bye, everyone. On that note, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I just kicked my tripod. That was scary. And I'll see you guys next time, and take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Bye.